Hello mighty people, welcome back. This video is a part of Pandas beginner to advanced level series. Till now if you haven't watched the previous Pandas videos, so please watch them and continue from here so that you will be on a correct pace. So in this video we are going to learn how to create data frame, different types of approaches to create a data frame. In the previous video we have explained what is data frame, what are its uses, characteristics, where do we really use it, what is its role in AI ML machine learning. So please watch that video. Before starting the video, only a few of you are subscribed to our channel. Most of you are watching the videos without subscribing. If you subscribe to our channel, as our subscribers grows, our channel will be recommended on the YouTube to more new people. Then we will get motivation to do more such interesting videos. So please subscribe to our channel and enable the bell notifications. So let us start the video. First of all, on your PC, search for PyCharm and open PyCharm. In the previous videos, we have created Python project, and in that now we will create data frames. So click on this Pandas learning project folder name, right click on it, click on new, click on Python file, name it as df learning. So a new file for the data frames is created. Now let me copy the code which I have prepared to explain you. So it is the today's content. Okay, so I hope you know what is data frame. Now we will create a data frame using dictionary of lists. You know, dictionary is a pair of key values. Key, here I am taking name. So while creating dictionary, the keys will be assigned as a column names. Values will be assigned as row values or cell values. So I'll put a breakpoint here, and on the empty space, right click on it, click on debug. So execution will be stopped at this breakpoint. See, data is list of records. In the threads and variables you can see data is created. Now pd.dataframe of data. In the data frame, D and F are capitals. You must focus on it. So this pd.dataframe will create a data frame using the data mentioned in the brackets. So click on step over, click on print. So here df is created. In the console, you can see data frame is in this way. Or in the threads and variables, you can open data frame like click on view as data frame. So here it is a data frame which we have created using dictionary of lists. So you can find keys of the dictionary like name, age, city are became column headers. I mean column names like name, age and city, and values. And you know, each corresponding index value of each list are became a row. For example, Alice is the 0th index of name, 25 is the 0th index of age, New York is the 0th index of city, Alice 25 New York. Here you can find first row is 0th row is the 0th index values of each key value pairs, I mean each list. So in this way, all the corresponding index values are created as corresponding row in a data frame. Okay, now let us see second approach of creating a data frame, which is from list of dictionaries. Exactly opposite case of the previous case. Click on this resume program button to jump from current flow of execution to the next breakpoint. Here data is a list with dictionaries as values. Here you can find each dictionary has name, age, city. So here the keys will be converted to column headers and each value will be converted to row values or cells. So let's create a df. See, df is created. Views data frame. See, as we have taken only 2 dictionaries in this list, we got only 2 rows. Here the case is different. In the previous case, 0th index of each list is converted to a row, but here individual dictionary will be converted into a row because you can see Alice 25 New York, row is Alice 25 New York. So each dictionary will be converted to each row in data frame. Okay, it is second approach. Now let us see third approach, creating data frame from list of lists. So here you can see A is a list. In that there are 2 more lists. Let us step over. See, data frame is created, and here pd.dataframe of data. Here you can find columns because in the previous approaches we have keys as name, age, city. Here you don't have keys. Then what about the column headers? So in order to explain, open evaluate expression. Click on Alt plus F8. pd.dataframe of data or A. Right? pd.dataframe of A. See. Click on view as data frame. See, here there are no column headers because we are created a data frame from list of lists. There are no keys like name, age, city. That's why we didn't get any column headers here. So if you want column headers, you need to mention them manually. Like in the data frame, like after A, you need to enter columns equal to name, age, comma city. Now click on evaluate. Now open VS data frame. See 0, 1, 2 are replaced with name, ignore the spelling mistake, name, age, city. So it is how you need to create a data frame from list of lists using manual columns. Okay, now the fourth approach. Now we need to create data frame from using NumPy arrays. Previously we have created list of lists. Now we use NumPy array. So it is a 2D array which is a matrix like array of 1, 2 and 3, 4. See array is created, right? In the threads and variables, click on this view as array. See array is already a ND array. It is not data frame. It is not data frame, it is ND array. Here these are the row values, here these are a column. It is a matrix. In the same way as in the previous case, we need to mention columns because there are no keys like name, age, city, right? We need to enter manually columns A and B, and DF is created. Here in the threads and variables, click on view as data frame on the DF. See, DF is created with column A and column B. One thing to notice is, so here every list is a row. That is why we got 1 and 2 as one row, 3 and 4 as another row. Okay. Now let us see another type of creating a data frame, which is from series objects. In the previous videos we have learned about series, right? Using those series, now we will create a data frame. Okay, now first of all let us create two individual series. Series 1 with header name as name equal to A. Name equal to A will create name header for that series. For example, see here in the threads and variables on S1, click on view as series and creates S2, series 2. Now here we will use pandas concat function. This concat method will take list of values to concat, list of series to concat. So S1 and S2, axis equal to 1, which indicates that select this and click on Alt F8, open evaluate expression. Now remove this axis equal to 1 and click on evaluate, view as series. See, everything is converted to a individual single series. Now we need data frame, right? We need each series as each column, not a single column. So axis equal to 1. Now click on evaluate expression. See, now a data frame is created with two individual series as individual columns and given name equal to A, name equal to B as column headers as A and B. So it is how you need to create data frame using multiple series. Okay, till now we have seen creating data frame using manually writing the code, like creating lists or dictionaries or ND arrays or series. Now for example, if you have bulk data like in a format of Excel sheet or CSV file, we need to use those files to create data frame. Then how to do so? Let us see. So first of all, let us see creating data frame from a CSV file. CSV file is nothing but a comma separated file. So I will show you how CSV file will be. See, these are my two CSV and Excel sheets. I will copy this into the project folder. Click on this PC, click on C, click on C drive, click on PyCharm projects, click on this project and just paste here. So these files, you can download these files from the description box. Please download them and practice. So I will show you how a CSV file will be. Click on notepad just once. So CSV file is nothing but comma separated values. So every value will be separated with a comma. You can see comma. So every value is separated with a comma and each row corresponds to each row in the data frame. It will be converted. Let us see. So syntax will be pd dot read underscore CSV. So this function will, so this method will read the file which you have mentioned. So you need to mention in a string like sales data.csv, right? In the string you need to mention it. Then it will read that CSV and it will convert into data frame. Let us step over. See, data frame is created under threads and variables on DF. Click on view as data frame. See, it is a data frame which is created from the CSV file. So these are all the columns which are separated by comma in the CSV file. So it is converted into data frame. So it is how a data frame looks like. These are all the columns, these are all the rows. Okay, just close it. So while reading the CSV file, you can use some other parameters also like delimiter. Select this and click on Alt F8. So pd.read CSV file with file name in string, comma, delimiter equal to comma, because CSV is a comma separated file, right? So we know every value is separated with comma. So we need to split the data for every comma. So this delimiter will be used to split the data. For example, if you have data separated with stars like name star, age star, city star. So if the data is separated with that parameter like that character, then you need to enter the unique character which separates the data values. So here you need to enter that character and click on evaluate. Then data frame will be created in this way. Okay, just close it. Now another parameter is header equal to 2. See, first of all, open this data frame. See, it is a data frame. So now I will copy this line. I will select and I will click on Alt F8. So header equal to true. It is nothing but in the CSV sheet, if you don't have any header values like column headers, then if you want to assign first row values or second row values as a column headers, then you need to use this headers equal to number or index. For example, click on evaluate. It will create a data frame. Click on view as data frame on the result. See, actually in the data frame which we have read directly, the row number 2 which is index 1, row number 2, invoice ID is INV002 and customer is Matthew Phillips. So if we read that CSV data directly, we got the column headers. For example, if you don't have column headers, you want to use this second row values as column headers, then we will enter header equal to true. Then this Matthew Phillips will be taken as column name for this corresponding column. See here, Matthew Phillips is column header, INV002 is column header. So second row values are assigned as column headers. So you need to use header equal to a number or row to assign those row values as column headers. Okay, close it. Okay, for example, now I will select these names. Select and click on Alt F8. Click on evaluate. View as data frame. Close it again. Again, open view as data frame. See, ignore this index part. I will explain it later. So here right side you will see actual data frame, right? View as data frame. Click on it. What I want to say is, if you have column headers, directly read CSV file name. If you don't have column header names, if you want to enter manually column header names, then you need to use names equal to list of column headers. Then it will create data frame with column header names as given list of names. See here, product category quantity. Okay, till now you have seen how to set second row values as a column headers, right? For example, if you don't want to use row values, you want to use row indices like 0th index, second index, then use index call equal to 0. Select this line and evaluate, click on data frame. Okay, till now you have seen index as 0, 1, 2, 3, right? For example, if you want to set index as a column, for example, if column values, if you want to set those column values as indices, then you need to use index underscore call equal to the index number, column number. For example, in the actual data frame, open this actual data frame. In the actual data frame, column 0 is inventory, invoice ID, right? Then as index call equal to 0, this will set 0th column, which is invoice ID, as index. In original DF you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but after setting index call equal to 0, the data frame will convert its index into the column which we have mentioned, which is inventory ID. So it is how you need to set index in the way while reading the CSV file. So these are all about reading CSV file. So now we have come to the most interesting factor of data frames, which is reading an Excel file and creating a data frame. So I hope you have copied the Excel file into the project source folder, right? Then now we need to use pd.read_excel in the brackets string of file name excel file .xlsx format. So this will read the Excel sheet. So this will read the Excel file, its first sheet. For example, if there are multiple sheets, only first sheet will be read and created as a data frame. Let's create it. See, we got an error. Let us see, because OpenPyXL. We got that error because we need to install OpenPyXL in order to convert Excel sheet into a data frame. So in the Python packages, search for OpenPyXL, click on install. Click on the latest version. Just wait for few seconds. Installing Python package OpenPyXL. So OpenPyXL will be installed. See, it is installed. Here you can see OpenPyXL is a Python library to read or write Excel sheets. So debug point, enter the debug point here, remove from the above because execution will stop on the previous breakpoints. Now debug it. See, we have successfully created a data frame from the Excel sheet. So in the threads and variables, open the data frame. See, it is all present in the Excel sheet. From the Excel sheet, we have created a data frame. So it is a way to create data frame from Excel sheet. pd.read_excel file name. So let us see some more parameters in reading an Excel file. First one is sheet name. I will select this line and click on Alt F8. So sheet underscore name equal to string of sheet name. For example, in the Excel sheet, you have multiple sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If you want to make data frame from sheet 3, then you need to mention sheet 3. Or if you have sheet names like sales sheet, products sheet, inventory sheet, then use those sheet name here and click on evaluate. Here DF will be created using that sheet from the Excel. Okay, setting an index column. Select this line and click on Alt F8. Evaluate it. See here, index underscore call equal to 0 will create. See, open actual data frame. See here, you can find index as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in the evaluation, we are setting index underscore call equal to 0. No, I want call equal to 1, because here column 1 is customer name. I want these customer names to be as index. So index underscore call equal to 1 will take customer name as index and it will set. Click on evaluate. Click on view data frame. See, actually we have originally there was index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but after setting index call from first column, so customer name is converted to index. So it is how you need to create index from reading Excel file. Okay, for example, there are 20 to 30 columns in the Excel sheet. You don't want all those column sheet. If you don't want to read all those columns, you want only specific first 3 or 4 columns, then you need to use calls parameter. Okay, I will tell you. Select this and click on Alt F8. Evaluate expression will be opened. Here use calls equal to. It will take column range. Like these are the default ranges. Like in Excel sheet you will see A, B, C, D, A, B, A, C, A, D. So in that format you need to enter the column names. Here I am entering A to D. Let us see from the actual data frame. A is order date, B customer name, C product, D category. I want from customer name to quantity. So I will enter B to B, C, D, E. So we will get data frame only customer name, product, category and quantity. Evaluate it. Click on view as data frame. See, from the actual data frame using B to E, we taken only 4 columns as data frames. So it is how you need to access only required columns from the Excel sheet. So these are the few basics about data frame, creating data frame using different approaches and using different files. So my suggestion is, instead of just watching this video, please download the datasets from the description and create Python project and execute the queries, write the code and debug it using breakpoints and evaluation expressions, so that you will master the Python data frames. Else you won't get anything. If you have grip on data frame, damn sure you will become a data scientist. So in the next videos, I will help you to learn data frames from very simpler way to the advanced level, so that you will become a data analyst or data scientist and you will use data frames and you will play with them as you want. So if you like this video, please share this video among your friends and WhatsApp groups. Till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and enable the bell notifications so that you will be notified whenever we post new videos. Stay tuned for the more videos. If you want to learn MongoDB, then there is a MongoDB beginner to advanced level series in our playlist. Link is mentioned in the description box. Watch them. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.